This is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at the green install button and wait for it to be downloaded and installed respectively. Now, once the app was successfully installed, you can go ahead and launch it, and once you open Opera or launch the Opera for the first time, it is required that you set it up. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose if you would like to enable notifications for Opera or perhaps set it as your default browser. And at this page you can either customize the access level that the Opera will have, or allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that'll be it for today, or well, for this video at least. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye!